In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your OANDA account to MetaTrader 5. MT5 is a powerful tool or trading platform, and linking it with your OANDA account allows you to execute traders and manage positions and analyze market with advanced features. And first, make sure you are on the official website of OANDA and already log in with your account. Now, launch the MT5 platform you just installed. So assumingly we installed this MT5 or MetaTrader 5 in our computer. So on the login screen, click on the file in the top menu and select login to trade account. And then after that, in the login window, enter your OANDA account number and password for the server field. You should see that a account number input box and password, and then select OANDA server from the drop down list. And then if you're unsure about the server name, you can find it in your OANDA account portal or refer to OANDA support documentations. Now, in here on your OANDA account, make sure you copy your account number together with your password, because we are going to log in that on MetaTrader 5. So once you've entered the correct information, you simply click the login button to connect your OANDA account to MT5. So if the connection is successful, you'll be able to see your OANDA account balance, trading instruments, and open positions in MT5 platform. And you can now start trading on MT5. You'll have access to full suite of MT5 tools, including advanced charting, technical analysis, and expert advisors. You can use the Market Watch also window to view available instruments and the terminal window to manage your trades. And that's how you connect your OANDA account to MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.